Hello everyone, today let's talk about a refreshing drink that is made from lemon juice, chia seeds and water. This combination is not only delicious but also packed with a lot of benefit. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and its digestion. And then we have chia seed, which is loaded with fibers, omega-3 fatty acid and antioxidants, and it's going to help to keep you full longer and support heart health, especially for those who are on weight loss journey. This is going to keep you full the whole day without snacking on any other thing. Then we have water. Water is going to help hydrate you, your overall well-being, and promote a healthy bodily function. So combining these three together, it's going to hydrate, nourish and keep you energized for the whole day. So if you're looking to refreshing your body, if you're looking to glow your skin from inside out, if you're on weight loss journey, or you're looking for something that is going to keep you full the whole day without snacking on any sugary stuff or without snacking anyhow, then make your chia seed water. 3 ingredients only: lemon, chia seed and water. Very natural for your immune system. If you've tested it before, let me know in the comment section.